Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you the most honest and thorough product reviews. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Magic Bullet Portable Blender MBPB50100AK in black. This portable blender promises a compact design that packs quite a punch in the blending department, offering a handy solution for anyone who's always on the move. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down and see if it really delivers on the convenience it promises. The Magic Bullet Portable Blender is marketed as a compact, lightweight blending solution designed for those with a busy lifestyle. At first glance, it's clear that this little device was built for portability. With its compact size, it easily fits into your bag or car cup holder, making it ideal for quick smoothies, protein shakes, or even infused waters. The product also comes with an infuser basket that allows you to add fruit or herbs to your water, creating refreshing flavored drinks on the go. The flip and sip lid design ensures no spillage, which is a huge plus if you're someone who's always rushing between tasks. What really stands out that one full charge is enough to power the blender through 15 plus cycles. This means you won't be constantly worried about charging it on the house too much. And it's perfect for short trips, busy mornings, or even at the office when you need a quick smoothie to keep you going. The blender also boasts a sturdy handle on the lid for easy transportation, ensuring that it's ready to go wherever you do. This is a nice touch, especially if you like the idea of blending on the go without having to deal with bulky equipment. Now let's talk about the real-world experience. Setting up the Magic Bullet Portable Blender is a breeze. After charging it for the first time, I was ready to start blending within minutes. I started with a basic fruit smoothie, and I was impressed by how well it blended the ingredients. The motor seems strong enough to handle soft fruits like bananas and berries, but if you're looking to blend harder ingredients, you might need to give it a few more pulses. One thing that stands out is how quiet the blender operates, which is a refreshing change from other portable blenders that can get pretty noisy. For testing, I decided to blend a variety of ingredients: a basic fruit smoothie, a protein shake, and even a flavored water with herbs and citrus. The fruit smoothie turned out creamy and smooth, though I did have to stop it a few times to shake the ingredients around to ensure an even blend. The protein shake was quick, and I was able to get a perfectly mixed drink without any lumps. The flavored water, however, was the most impressive. The infuser basket worked perfectly, and I was able to make a refreshing drink with just a few slices of lemon and some mint leaves. While it performs well in most situations, there are a couple of drawbacks to note. The most significant one is that it struggles with harder ingredients, like ice or tougher vegetables. If you're planning to make ice-cold smoothies with frozen fruit, or try blending anything a little more challenging, you may notice the motor working a little harder than expected. However, for everyday tasks like blending fruit and soft vegetables, it does the job well. Another minor issue is the size of the blending cup itself. While the compact design is a benefit for portability, it can feel a little small if you're someone who likes to prepare larger servings. In terms of value for money, this portable blender is priced reasonably considering its performance and portability. It offers enough blending power for quick, on-the-go meals, and the added bonus of the infuser basket for flavored water is a nice touch. For the price, it competes well with other portable blenders in the market, especially considering the battery life and ease of use. If you're someone who just needs a basic, portable blending option, this blender provides a good balance of features without breaking the bank. However, if you're after a more powerful blender for complex recipes, you might want to look elsewhere. Comparing it to other portable blenders, the Magic Bullet Portable Blender stands out for its ease of use and compact size. While it's not the most powerful option on the market, it competes well with similar blenders like the NutriBullet Go or the BlendJet 2. The NutriBullet Go offers a similar design, but it does come with a slightly more powerful motor, making it a better choice for tougher ingredients. The BlendJet 2, on the other hand, offers a larger cup capacity and a slightly stronger motor as well, but it's also a bit more expensive. In terms of portability and simplicity, the Magic Bullet stands strong. But if you want something that handles ice or frozen fruit a little better, other models might edge it out. When it comes to build quality, the Magic Bullet Portable Blender feels solid for its size. It's made of durable plastic that can withstand the wear and tear of regular use, but it's not as rugged as some of its more heavy-duty counterparts. For daily use, it should hold up just fine. But if you plan on taking it on rugged adventures or tossing it around a lot, you might find it a little more prone to scratches and minor scuffs over time. The lid with its flip and sip design is secure, which is essential for avoiding any spills while you're on the go. In terms of customer support, I haven't had to interact with Magic Bullet's team directly, but the brand has a reputation for being responsive when it comes to inquiries and warranty claims. Their customer service reviews are generally positive, with users reporting fast responses and helpful solutions to issues that arise with the product. To wrap things up, the Magic Bullet Portable Blender MBPB50100AK is a solid choice for anyone looking for a convenient, compact blender that performs well for light blending tasks. It's not the most powerful, but it's perfect for quick smoothies, protein shakes, and flavored waters. If you're someone who's always on the move and just needs something to make quick drinks without fuss, this blender is a great option. However, if you need something that can handle tougher ingredients or make larger servings, you might want to consider a more powerful blender. Overall, it's a great fit for its intended purpose, and if portability and simplicity are your priorities, this one's worth considering. If you're interested in getting your hands on the Magic Bullet Portable Blender, check the comments for a link to grab one. And as always, feel free to drop any questions or share your thoughts if you already own this product. Let's get a conversation going. Thanks for tuning in to Reviews Inside TV, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep blending.